Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can disable text message vibration on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and let's get started. So, first of all, I recommend that you review what version of iOS software you have on your iPhone. To do this, you'll need to go into your phone's settings. Here you scroll through a little bit and find the basic ones. And then click on About. And this is where you'll be able to find the iOS version. I have 17.41 as you can see. If you have version 17 and above, then that's great. If it's lower, then I recommend that you update your iOS version. To do this, you'll need to go back to Basic and go Update Software. I don't have any updates as you can see because everything is updated. But when you go to this setting, you have the update function, then you click Update in order to update your software. Why would you do that? Because if you have an earlier version of iOS, then maybe either the settings to disable vibrate text messages are either different or this feature will not be available at all on your iPhone. So, once you've verified that you're running iOS 17 or higher, we go back to the phone settings, and then we go to Sounds and Tactile Sensations. And this is where we select Text Tone. And as you can see, here we have this menu where we can select the text message tone. And if you want to turn off the vibrations, then we go to the tactile sensation at the top. And there's also a menu or a selection of certain vibrations here as well. And what they are. There's a vibration that adjusts to the text message sound that you selected earlier, or there's a set of different vibrations that you can choose for yourself personally by picking up your phone to feel the vibration and pick one that you like. You can also create your own vibration as you wish. And if you want to disable this feature, then you choose the very last option, as I currently have no vibration. And then you just go back to Settings, exit Settings, and so you've already disabled text message vibration. I hope this video was helpful for you. You have understood how you can disable and remove all text messages on your iPhone. Don't forget to put likes, also write your comments, please subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.